Welcome to our Wet Plastic Granulator, engineered for efficient size reduction and pre-washing in one powerful machine. Whether you're recycling PET bottles, plastic films, or rigid plastics, this machine delivers high productivity with reliable performance. One of the biggest upgrades is our newly designed rotor assembly. The innovative knife holder structure significantly simplifies blade replacement, reducing maintenance time and improving service efficiency. Compared with conventional designs, knife changing is more than twice as fast, helping minimize downtime and maximize production. Unlike a conventional dry crusher, this wet granulator continuously sprays water directly into the cutting chamber during operation. The water cools the blades, reduces friction and heat, suppresses dust, and begins washing the material while it is being processed. Now let's see the machine in action. Whole PET bottles are continuously fed into the cutting chamber. The high-speed rotor and precision stationary knives work together to quickly reduce the bottles into uniform PET flakes. The finished PET flakes are discharged through the screen, ready for the next stage. This integrated wet crushing process helps protect the cutting system, extends blade life, and produces cleaner plastic flakes for the downstream washing line. Thank you for watching.